contribution in general debate. From time to time, I would be continuing to express my views in esteemed house. People in Indian community have been telling me that they are fortunate to have Honorable John Key as Prime Minister of New Zealand to take them through these difficult times. I would like to tell this House that ethnic community is very happy with the change of government. They feel more confident, safer and comfortable. While I was interviewing youth candidate for represent me in Youth Parliament 2010, one entrant from Manurewa told me that her friends and herself feel much more confident while walking back from school than they used to do few years ago. When I asked why was that, Mr. Speaker, she said it is because her friends and herself now encounter more police on streets in South Auckland. She mentioned that the mere fact that people saw more police walking around neighborhood and police cars driving around more often, that they feel more safer as they believe criminals will now think twice. She also mentioned that her parents are more confident with the economic situation. They think the country will improve significantly under this government, rather it would have done under previous government. This seems to be a recurring theme with many Indian families when I speak to them. Mr. Speaker, I shall now talk about small businesses and small and medium businesses, the majority of which are dairy owners, liquor shops, petrol station, veggie shops, which are owned by ethnic people whom have migrated to New Zealand. We have a history of more than 120 years in this country. We started from cutting bushes in King Country and Waikato region, but now we own dairies around the corner to multi-story offices buildings in CBDs of Auckland, Wellington and Christchurch. And when I talk to these people, they say, thank God, Labour is gone. Absolutely. Mr. Speaker, we had good times in past, but opportunities have been lost. The Labour government did not capitalize. The opposition is talking about flawed tax policies by this government. Mr. Speaker, the latest Ray Morgan New Zealand poll shows that there is no decrease in support for National Party and the confidence rating is up by 6.5 points. And 61% of people think that government is going into right direction. The Indian community is thus doing well in economic front. Another thing of importance to this community is education. Indians believe that education is most important thing. It is something exceptionally important and valuable that no one can take it away from you. This is why ethnic students do very well at schools and university levels. On this note, I would like to inform you, Mr. Speaker, that Indian community is very pleased with the addition of national standards. They feel that they will be more informed and their children will be getting very good education. On my last visit of Papatoy High School, I was told that the principal that school has more than 40% of students of ethnic origin. In upcoming youth parliament, we have got 7 youth of Indian origin and 6 from other ethnic background. Very good. We look at unemployment among Asian is very low. Mr. Speaker, this is because our community commenced as being our employee and have gradually over years been developing and expanding our horizon to buy small businesses. This is why so many of our small businesses are owned by ethnic community. As an incentive towards growing our economy, the government will announce beneficial tax changes in the budget, the outcome of which will be about more jobs and higher incomes for families, especially those in lower and middle income earners, beneficiaries and our senior citizens. Also, income tax cut across the board will generally bring about an increase in purchasing power, thereby improving the lot of our shopkeepers and communities as whole. Another thing that concerns our community is safety. The unfortunate death of Navtej Singh, the liquor shop owner, and Haren Moini, the taxi driver, struck fear into many taxi drivers. As you know, probably, Mr. Speaker, more taxi drivers uh,
Order. Sue Moroney.